Jesus, it's so hot out here.
Jeez, man.
Ugh, I can't do this. No, I don't think I can walk another mile, Jonas. I don't think so.
Fine.
No, I can't. I can't. Look,
Mr. Joseph?
Dicho todo eso.
What are you talking about? Where's Rebecca? Where did she go?
Ya the people who show you todo eso. In my town. My town. I'm living in over there.
I just
Come
whistled.
into my town.
It's a free cut.
Right there. Tu eso, la que de los bebés.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave.
Don't move. Don't make a movement. They got there.